Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope everyone is safe and sound. In this video, I will show you how you can make your assignments on your mobile phone. If you don't have PC or laptop and you can't afford it, you don't have to buy them. You can make your assignments and office work on your mobile. Now let's get started to our video. Open Play Store and search for MS Word. MS Office can also be used in mobile phone. I have already installed it. Now open. Click on the plus sign. There you can see there are many different styles. You can choose whatever you want. Now click on the blank document. Here you can write. Here you can see you can change settings according to yourself. You can also change font. There are many different fonts in here. You can change the font size. You can also see you can bold, italic, underline, font color. You can also see here you can bullets, whatever you choose. You can also numbering one. Here you can also insert pictures, shapes, text box, comments, link, question, footnote, layout. You can also select margins, orientation, size, columns. You can add columns, breaks. Here you can make assignments. No need for PC or laptop. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel and support us. Thank you very much.